Hi. Today we're going to be reading this story. Have you seen my cat? We're going to work on this sound, and you say it like this. And we're going to be looking and listening for this word, have. Have you seen my cat? Here we go. It's by Eric Carle. Look at these cats, they're beautiful. Ooh. These pages have a lot of beautiful cats. We have a panther, a lion, a tiger, a bobcat, a cheetah, a puma, a jaguar, and a Persian cat. So I wonder if we will see those again. Okay, here's our word. Have you seen my cat? Have you seen my cat? Have you seen my cat? This is not my cat. Have you seen my cat? And he's pointing. The man on the horse is pointing. Let's see, is it his cat? No, he says that is not my cat. And then he meets this other person with feathers on their head. Looks interesting. And he says, have you seen my cat? Let's see. He points out that direction. Oh. And the boy says, this is not my cat. So he goes up and he finds a person who's riding a donkey, and he says, here's our word, have you seen my cat? Points him out this direction, and this is not my cat. And then he finds two ladies, and he says, have you seen my cat? Well, they point that direction, and let's go see. This is not my cat. Here he finds a man who lives in this beautiful tent. Have you seen my cat? Here's our word. Have you seen my cat? Well, that is not my cat. Then he sees this person over here. Somebody they're in a cart. It looks like it's being pulled by an ox or a yak. And the boy says, or maybe it's a girl, says, here's our word, have you seen my cat? You're pointing that direction. Let's go see. This is not my cat. Oh, man. Here's our word, have you seen my cat? Pointing that other direction. Let's keep looking. That is not my cat. Where is my cat? He looks kind of sad and worried. He says, have you seen my cat? Have you seen my cat? Well, he's pointing this other direction. This is my cat! Oh, look, his cat came and she had all of these kittens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kittens. The end. And that is a really good story. It's one of my favorites. I hope you get to enjoy it again. See you later.